Welcome back to 3D Mechanical Design. Today we're kicking off a new project, designing a W-joint for a 9/16" diameter shaft in SolidWorks. W-joints, also called double universal joints or double cardan joints, are essential mechanical components. They connect two shafts, even if they're misaligned or at an angle, allowing smooth torque transmission and rotation. In this video, we'll model the first part of the assembly. In upcoming videos, we'll complete the remaining components and bring everything together in a full assembly. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Creating the main body. Start by selecting the top plane and open a new sketch. Draw a circle with a diameter of 1.25 inches. Use the Extruded Boss Base tool to extrude the sketch to a depth of 2.2 inches. Now we have our basic cylinder. Step 2. Adding the first hole. On the top plane, create a new sketch. Draw a center line 1.88 inches long to position our hole. Add a circle with a diameter of 0.32 inches at the end of the center line. Use the Extruded Cut tool, set to through all in both directions to cut the hole. Step 3. Shaping the profile. Next, we'll cut the profile around the hole, following the dimensions from our technical drawing. Again, use the Extruded Cut tool, through all, in both directions. Step 4. Side cutout. Switch to the right plane and sketch the profile for a 0.83-inch cutout. Use the Extruded Cut tool to remove this material. Step 5. Adding chamfers and holes. Apply a 0.08-inch chamfer at 45 degrees to the appropriate edges for a clean finish. Using the hole wizard, create holes with a diameter of 9/16 inch and a depth of 1.13 inches. Don't forget to add the hole for attaching the shaft. Congratulations! We've completed the first part of our double universal joint. In the next videos, we'll design the remaining parts and assemble the full mechanism. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SolidWorks projects.